windy, so it might be a little hard to hear me. But we are in Fajardo, Puerto Rico right now. We are going to go to a beautiful island off of Puerto Rico. It's called Icacos Island. It's obviously part of Puerto Rico, and it is absolutely amazing. So come with us. We are going with Mandibula water taxi. $60 a person, and we're gonna head straight over there. So you guys are gonna like this. Watch. Oh, and like always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so that we can push these videos to the YouTube algorithm and everyone can enjoy this amazing content. Time to go.
Our first coffee. Always coffee.
Burger King.
Listen, let me just say, I know coffee in New Jersey or whatever, it's always watery. Every place over here, whether it's McDonald's, Burger King, the coffee is always good.
By the way, El Conquistador Resort, right over there. Beautiful spot. All right, we're in the boat by ourselves. And water, there's a lot of wind and the water looks choppy, so we're probably gonna get wet. Guys, so this is a thing of beauty. Beautiful crystal clear waters in the Caribbean. Icacos Island, Puerto Rico. It's like a really clear pool over there where I'm sure smaller kids could definitely enjoy. And man, it feels amazing to be here back in New Jersey. There's a snowstorm today, 4 to 6 inches. They closed the schools. So I asked for a personal day today, so I expect my personal day to be returned right back to my balance because I was not able to use it. But anyways, look at this, guys. Very beautiful. Just amazing. Love it. Water is really nice. And this is worth it, guys. It's definitely worth it. Was the ride a little bumpy? Yes. If you want to get on one of these, you're gonna have to pay 100 something to come. I paid 60 per person, and got here pretty quickly, 15 minutes tops. And now we get to enjoy these amazing views, the island and neighboring islands. And of course, Icacos. Okay, time to get in the water. Let's see, let's see. It's a little chilly. Woo. Well, that fixes that. Water's nice. It's clear. Beautiful. And you don't have to go so far to get get this experience. Obviously, you need a water taxi unless you have your own jet ski or boat. You can do a jet ski trip if you want to.
So the guy that works with the little boat, whatever, he was letting us know that more than likely we might see dolphins. There's a lot of dolphins that come here, and he said that when there's a lot of people in the water, they like to come. So hopefully.
And that will only make the video if we actually see them, because I'm not going to promote something that we don't see. So if we do see them, more likely we will be recording it.